All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble your Automata, okay? So when we're done, you should be able to grab your end piece here, and you should be able to turn it, and you should be able to see your piston or your follower going up and down, okay? It's a little laggy here. All right, so let's get started. You're going to click on the Insert Tab button. You're going to go to Create an Assembly. Then you're going to start by inserting your box. And then you're going to right click on this thing and hit fix so that that box does not move. Then you're going to insert your rod right here. That's the one that goes across. I'm going to use a revolute mate to put that in there. I'm going to do revolute mate on here and then zoom in, do revolute mate right here. And now my rod is in there. And then I want to do a little bit of an offset just so this thing looks good. Now I'm going to tinker with this number till I get something that looks good. I believe my end cap is 0.5 thickness, so I'm going to go like that and hit the checkbox. Then I'm going to add my end cap in there, so I'm going to insert another piece. I'm going to choose my end cap. I got a circle one and a square one. I'm going to go with the square one so you guys can see the animation. I'm going to insert one end cap in here, and then I'm going to use a fasten mate to fasten this end cap to here. Okay, now that's on there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here with another end cap. Insert end cap right there. And then I'm going to do another fasten mate here to here. But you see how it's floating? I want that up against the box, so I'm going to add another offset. And then I'm going to tinker with this the numbers again. Let's try 1 and see what that looks like. It went the wrong direction. If it goes the wrong direction, you need to do a -1. And then that actually looks pretty good right there, green checkbox to save it. Now if I grab 1 and turn it, the other one should turn with it. It's a little bit laggy because of the video recorder, but you guys get the idea, okay? So now if I turn 1, it should turn the other. Next thing I want to do is I want to add in my follower. So I'm going to go to Insert one more time. I'm going to choose Follower. And then I'm going to add that into here. And then I'm also going to add my cam in there as well. All right, so I'm going to put my cam on there before I do my follower. So I'm going to do another fasten mate. So I'm going to glue this cam onto the end of this rod right here. And now you notice how it's outside my box. I want to move it inside. So just like we did before, we're going to offset this thing. And then again, you're going to have to kind of play with the numbers right here. I'm going to start with 3. Let's just see, 4, 6, 5, 5.5. Does that look like it lines up with the hole pretty good? Maybe 5.6. Okay, then you kind of tinker with that number and get it to line up the way that you want it to line up. Once you have that, you're going to need to get your rod, and you guys are going to choose the slider mate for your rod. And I'm going to choose this hole right here. And then I'm going to choose the middle of my rod right here. And then what that will allow me to do is I should be able to take that and it should slide up and down. The last thing I need to do is I need to set another relationship here. So I'm going to go to, where is my, I'm looking for tangent mate. All right, here. So I click on tangent mate. It says face or edge. I'm going to click on the face of my cam. And then for the other face that I want it to be tangent to, I want it to be tangent to the bottom of my slider right here. And then once I hit check, we'll see how that works out. All right, I'm going to have to try that one more time. I'm going to choose tangent mate. I'm going to click on the face of my cam. Then I'm going to choose the bottom of my rod here. And then once I do that, it should have that relationship. So when I turn the cam, sorry for the poor quality here, but once you do that, you should see your piston rod moving up and down. Okay, so use that, and I hope that helps.